These are pork ribs from Costco. If you go to the meat section at Costco, you can buy fresh pork ribs at a good price. Cut them into bite-sized pieces. Remove any fatty parts. Rinse the prepared pork ribs well. When cutting the meat, there may be powder on the bones, so rinse them well. Soak the rinsed meat in cold water for about 30 minutes to remove any meaty smell. After 30 minutes, remove the meat from the water and drain it. Add 1 tablespoon of vinegar to remove any unwanted smell from the meat. Put it in boiling water and blanch it for about 5 minutes. You can also use a bit of ginger instead of vinegar. After 5 minutes, remove the blanched pork ribs and drain them in a colander. Making the seasoning sauce. In a bowl, put half cup of soy sauce, half cup of cooking wine, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of minced ginger, and a little pepper. Mix well. Preparing the vegetables. Cut the radish into bite-sized pieces, rotate the cut into circles. This way, the radish won't become mushy when cooked. You can also use potatoes instead of radish. Cut the carrot into silver sizes and rotate and cut it into circles. Carrots add great flavor to braised dishes. Cut off the stems of the shiitake mushrooms. Slice the shiitake mushrooms. If you want them to look nice, you can make some cross cuts with a knife. This is optional. Then you slice some green onions. If you have red chili peppers, slice 2 or 3 of them. This is optional. Put the blanched meat in a pot. Add a seasoning sauce. Pour enough water to cover the meat, about 4 cups. Bring to a boil. Once it starts boiling, cover the lid and simmer over medium heat for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, if there is excess oil, skim it off. Add the sliced vegetables. Simmer over medium heat for another 20 more minutes. After 20 more minutes, add the sliced green onions and red chili peppers and simmer over medium-high heat for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add 2 tablespoons of oligosaccharide or corn syrup and 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds and mix well. Savory and flavorful braised pork ribs is done. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next week. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.